Hi, I am Mizanur Rahman. I am a software engineer but new as a YouTube instructor. So if you see my channel and like my tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe. In this video, I will integrate Bootstrap Adminlte with Jetstream package. We all know Jetstream is an awesome package. It has many features. Jetstream uses Tailwind CSS. This video is for who want to use Bootstrap Adminlte with Laravel8 Jetstream package. There are many ways for use Adminlte with Laravel 8. I am integrated it in my style. First of all, you need to create a Laravel 8 project and install Jetstream package. If you need any help for installing those, you can check my video tutorial, link given in the description. After installing Jetstream package, you will see the dashboard like this. Now you need to download and extract Adminlte dashboard. Official download link given in the description. I already have those Adminlte. Here are three dashboard template, but I use index to dashboard. Now you open the index to using your code editor. Now I remove the unnecessary file from this template. Here is the unnecessary file. I will only take these resources. Report recap. We'll remove all of this. Copy this and find it. Yes, here it is. From the row I will also this row. Before section I will remove all of this. Save it and refresh the page. Yes, I only took this site. So copy all content code from here. And open your project. Here is my project, Jetstream project. Go to resources file, views, layout and app.blade and open the app.blade.php file. Here is my app.blade.php. Comment out all thing and refresh the Jetstream package. Yes, it's blank now. Now if I paste my Adminlte code here, refresh this page again, now it's see like this. Now we need to link the CSS and JavaScript file. For this I am using script language. For this I am using asset for linking those files. I select all link ACRF, select all link reference here, and type asset for linking the CSS for. Cut from outside and paste it into the asset. If I refresh it now, it's not working because we are not copy the plugins and dist file from the resource of Adminlte. Here is the dist file and plugin file at Adminlte resources. Copy these two files and paste it in your project public file. I use jumps, that's why I am paste it in my jumps htdoc. Jetstream project and public folder. Now if I refresh it again, hopefully the CSS will be working. Yes, my CSS is now working, but yes, all CSS are working fine. This is for now. I will see you in the next video.